severe thunderstorm warning for Caldwell County, southeastern Hays County, northeastern Guadalupe County, southeastern Travis County, southwestern Bastrop County, west central Fayette County, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ulen, or near Kyle, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations intended include San Marcos, Kyle, Lockhart, Martindale, Ulen, Mustang Ridge, Needwald, Staples, Cistern, Cedar Creek, Rosenke, Wildwood, Camp Swift, Circle WXK Estates, Upton, Brownsboro, Mountain City. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations intended. The National issued a severe Martindale, Ulen, Mustang Ridge, Needwald, Staples, Cistern, Cedar Creek, Rosenke, Wildwood, Camp Swift, Circle WXK Estates, Upton, Brownsboro, Mountain City, Creedmoor, and Phelan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.